Hi everyone, this is Adenugu Kitchen. Welcome back. I want to show you how to cook egusi soup. It's very nutritious. These are the ingredients we use in making egusi soup. We have red oil, we have vegetable, we have liver, stockfish, fish. This is onions with pepper, and crayfish. This is egusi, this is the maggi, and this is the meat, salt for taste. So just watch me the way I do it, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Hi, so the egusi soup is ready. This is how we make it. It's very delicious. And this is the fufu, the whole wheat. It goes with whole wheat, it goes with pounded yam or any type of fufu. You use it to eat it. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.